Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Mina and you are watching the first part of pedicure tutorial in my channel. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and watch till the end. In this video, I want to learn you how to pedicure your own foot at home without any professional tools, and if you watch till the end, you will see how my foot changed and you will be wondered and you will do it for yourself at home. As you see in the video, I removed previous gel polish on my fingers. I filled half of my tub with warm water and right now I'm using sea salt. Mix the sea salt in warm water and then use pedicure cocktail. My pedicure cocktail contains treatment oil. I don't know what's the exact name, but it's a treatment oil such as, I don't know, almond oil or olive oil. I put the cocktail in warm water and I put my foot for around 10 minutes. I try to massage the sole of my foot and it will help you to make your dead skin more smoother quickly. As you know, I'm a nail master and I did acrylic nail on my hand finger. You can see full tutorial video on my channel. Now I am drying one of my foot. I wanna start grating the sole of my foot to remove dead skin. Dead skins are very smooth. Right now they are ready to be removed and I enjoy this part of the pedicure. It's very satisfying. I recommend you that do this for yourself at home. You don't need any professional tools. You can use any stuff that I use in this video. And if you did this pedicure for yourself, please leave a comment for me. Now I want to dry another foot, but you should remember that you have to moisturize the foot that you are grated. It's very important part that you do moisturize it, or if you have a scrub and then moisturize it. I want to moisturize with a treatment oil and then a moisturize cream because I want to do the grade for other food. Right now I just use a little treatment oil that moisturize my foot, and after grading another foot I will moisturize it very well. Okay, remember that. as you can see, the dead skins are removed easily because I put my foot in warm water for around 10 minutes, and because I use sea salt and Pedicure cocktails in water, it makes the dead skins very smoother and help to remove them very easily. This grater that I use is used for medium roughness. If you have heel crack or hard heel crack, you have to use callus remover. You should put callus remover on your heels, or it depends on the heel crack that you have, the degree of heel crack. And then you can use grater or any other pedicure stuff such as pedodisc. You know that we have lots of stuffs that we can use in pedicure. Professional pedicure is a little different with this pedicure that I do at home for myself. It's a very safe pedicure. You can do it monthly and it's very good for your foot health. It makes your foot skin very smooth, very healthy. My grater has a part that stores the dead skins. It has a storage. You can see how many dead skin are stored here and removed from my heels. Okay, now I want to use of other parts of my grater. The other part acts like a pumice. Okay, as I said, after grading, you have to use moisturizer. First, I use a treatment oil. It absorbs very quickly and don't make the feet very oily. I use another moisturizer cream after treatment oil. It keeps my heels skin a little wet and hydrates my feet. You know, you should be very careful that your skin don't be dehydrated, and always moisturize it after pedicure. Always, you should do it always, but after pedicure you should be very careful to always moisturize the soles of the feet. For the next step, I want to do gel polish on my feet nails. If you did manicure on your hand nail, you know that the steps are same for feet nails. Okay, we should use wood pusher to lift and push cuticle to have a very clean and better gel polish. And if you have dead skin on your cuticle, you should trim cuticle. Okay, be careful to don't harm your cuticle. For the next step, I use hand file for shaping the nails. I want a secure form, so I filing the free edge. I use nail buffer to match the nail plate and shine off it for a better gel polish and a little last longer gel polish.